Hey, what's up guys? This is Tactiholics. Dave and girls with EDC gear. Let's get to work. Let's do it. Alright guys, here's all my stuff so I can stay off the grid for a little bit. Got a paracord. Comes in handy. Casio G-Shock. Pretty rugged. Not affected by the elements. No batteries needed. Solar powered. Got a little micro Leatherman. Comes in handy, little scissors, screwdrivers. Don't like carrying the big ones around, take up too much space. Car keys, in case I gotta get out of Dodge. This is the Kershaw Tonto Blur, spring assisted. Little pocket knife. Forgot to toss it. I can. Not going to be too worried about it. Main flashlight. Got the strobe feature. LED. Nice. Little backup flashlight. It's a little Phoenix PD1. Also has a strobe on that. So you can never have enough light. This is the Tops backbite. Designed by Colin Despens. Mainly a defensive concealed carry knife. Little CRKT Columbia River minimalist neck knife. Kind of a last resort type weapon. Uzi tactical pen. Again, another last resort. Could be used as a weapon if I need it. And HTC Evo.
Alright guys, now we're going to go over my loadout. We'll start with the paracord bracelet because you never know when you're going to need it. Come in handy with broken boot laces. You can use it as fishing line, etc. We got a watch. You always got to know what time it is. I went with an Uzi. It's rugged, dependable, water resistant to 90 meters. And of course, you got your car keys. You move on to the cell phone. I carry an HTC Evo in an OtterBox. It's a nice rugged case. You can drop it, fairly water resistant, and that rides in the front right pocket. You can also, if you'll notice, just based on its girth, you can probably bash somebody with this thing if you have to. Got a lighter, just in case you got to start a fire, something like that. I roll with the Zippo, it's wind resistant. A surefire flashlight, especially in the winter time. Here in the Midwest, it gets dark out early. Again with me, I have the Tops Knives Backbite. This is a fairly rapid deployment, fixed blade. Right at that on my right hand side, complements a pistol nicely. Perfectly concealable underneath the shirt. My throwaway knife is a Black Hawk Point Man. This is my utility blade. If I have to break it to accomplish something, that's what I'm going to have to do with that one. For my left hand, I have the Fox Karambit. This is the mini Karambit, new on the market. It has an Emerson wave feature, so opens immediately on deployment. Again, my right hand's tied up, I can go with that one. And lastly, if you want to check out our Facebook group and our Facebook page at Tactiholics, I just wrote a review on this guy here, the Sniper Blade Works Colin Despin's design Karambite. It's a smaller Karambit version. Incredible retainability, various grip configurations, and as you can see, worn around the neck and over the shirt, under the shirt. You're never going to know it's there. That's about it. Alright guys, thanks for checking out our video on EDC gear. Some of the stuff stays in our pockets all the time, some of it rotates out with other things, depending on the environment, where we're going, how long we're going to be away, things like that. So feel free to check out our Facebook page at Tactiholics, as well as the Facebook group Tactiholics. You can read our written reviews on there, and expect more videos to come on the YouTube channel Tactiholics. We never quit.
Stay sharp.